Purple F08.
Tuloy mo na itong ginagawa niya, no? I-09 naman yung aero, no? I-09. Ano ba aero natin yan?
Let's check it, guys. Power up.
Ito.
Try again, guys.
Sir, ilan mo ng motor yan?
Okay, madam.
Hindi.
Yun ang nagpalit nun eh. Si Steve ata ang nagpalit nun.
Steven.
F08, guys. Let's check this, guys. This is a bubble control problem. Let's remove the control. This is the control of purple. Let's repair that, guys. Okay. I'll be back, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and please like my videos. Thank you. Keep on watching, guys. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Update, guys. Update. So the problem is the system IC, guys. And just reheat this IC. The units going like this is the problem, guys. And just read the IC, guys, and nothing, and done. If I have to live my life without you,